In the heart of a lush, green jungle, where the sun's rays barely penetrated, there lived a gentle Okapi named Oki. Oki was known for his unique beauty, with a body like a giraffe and a face like a deer. But what truly set him apart was his wisdom. One day, a great drought struck the jungle. The river, which was once the lifeblood of the jungle, dried up, leaving the animals in despair. Oki, seeing their distress, felt a deep sense of responsibility. He gathered the animals and said, "Friends, our home is suffering, but we must not lose hope. Let us work together to find a solution." The animals agreed, their spirits lifted by Oki's words. Oki suggested, "Let us dig a well in the center of our jungle. It will collect the rainwater and provide us with a source of life during these dry times." The animals, led by Oki, worked tirelessly, their efforts fueled by their shared hope. Days turned into weeks, and the well began to take shape. The animals worked hard, but their spirits waned. Oki, noticing this, said, "Friends, I can see the burden on your faces. Remember, we are not alone. We are a community, and together, we can overcome this challenge." The animals found renewed strength in Oki's words. They worked even harder, their spirits lifted. Finally, the day came when the well was filled with water. The animals cheered, their relief palpable. Oki turned to the animals and said, "Remember, the jungle is our home. We must learn to work together, to support each other, and to never lose hope. For in unity, we find strength." From that day forward, the jungle flourished, and the animals lived in harmony, forever grateful to the wise Okapi who taught them the power of unity and resilience. And so, the tale of the Okapi became a reminder to all creatures, big and small, of the importance of unity and hope. Moral: unity and hope are the keys to overcoming challenges. When we stand together, we can face any adversity. ****